The crab. This exercise is rarely taught because there's quite a bit of pressure that comes onto the neck, or potential pressure that could come onto the neck as you land the head. We start sitting and then bring the legs into a crossed position, take a roll back rolling like a ball, then you switch the legs, roll forwards and then land the head, just pausing momentarily there before repeating the exercise. Inhale to roll back, exhale to roll forwards. Now Loraine tends to lift her feet at some points in that head balance position. Now actually, when you look at the pictures of Joseph Pilates doing this exercise in Return to Life through Contrology, his book, his feet actually remain on the floor throughout, which would help with the balance when you arrive on your head. But as I say, this exercise is very rarely taught in the modern Matwork repertoire.